What's going on, guys? Ricky from Optic Options back with yet another video. Today we're going to go over the stocks that I'm watching for this upcoming week. As you guys know, earnings season is fully amongst us, so we got a lot of opportunity and a lot of responsibility with our bankroll management. So as you guys see right here, it's the 25th of January, full earnings season. Let's get right into it. So first off, this is just for educational purposes only. I or no one at Optic Options is a financial advisor. Next, we can look at the market watch. I'll link this in the bio. There's nothing on Monday and then Tuesday. We have to be aware of these times, but all I'm going to be looking for is catalyst this week. Catalyst. Let's look at the earnings calendar for you guys. So as you guys see here, big earnings. And if you guys can look over here, this is my watch list. I just started using scans. So here's all my watches. I got Apple, I got Tesla, AMD, Microsoft, Facebook, Starbucks even is on there because they report earnings. Visa, another big name on there. IV is a little, you look at some, we'll go over this later, but you look at some stocks like Apple, 40% IV, that's pretty normal. But as you guys know, it ran up into it's running up into earnings as we speak. Another honorable mention is Boeing. So we'll look at IV, how that will play out, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see here. So yeah, the biggest names that I like is AMD, Microsoft, BA, Apple, airlines, so Boeing, AAL, stuff like that, Visa, and McDonald's. So let's get into it. All right. So first off, let's look at the market overview. We're going to do all these on the 20-day 1 hour. All-time high at 385.3. And honestly, a lot of people I know are super bullish. So 390 calls for a week or two out might be the move. I have no position in them now. But as you guys see, healthy here. We ran up, slowly pulled back to support, and then are rallying up. So break at this 385. I don't have any fibs on it, but I'd play it every $1 or $2 and make sure we pay attention to volume. Next, ADD. This is kind of a system that I'm implementing that I learned from Tommy the Bull. ADD kind of tells you the story. Right around 2000, it's overbought. Negative 2000 is oversold, and you can go back, look this up yourself. I have these levels. I really use it a lot on the quick charts, and yeah. Next, Apple. So as you guys see here, Apple closed at 139.07. So very good close on Apple, and therefore makes a good swing. And as you guys see here, making new highs after hours, 140.4. We're going to see a lot of, not investment banks, but we're going to see Goldman Sachs come out with upgrades this week all across the board. We're going to see it's just going to be jam-packed and a lot of opportunity. So Apple over the all-time highs. Let's take a quick look right here on Apple and see if... Alright, no, so Apple, the January 29th expiration has increased, but it's still under 100, so therefore there's still quite a bit of money to be made. 62% on the option chain, and as you guys see here, volume and open interest across the board. These 145s and 150s actually look very, very nice, but I'm going to wait and stay on the sidelines. Next, AMD. AMD recently moved from 87 to 96 because of Intel, and that AMD is the hot processor out right now. So Intel said that their processors are becoming more desirable. That means there's more demand. So increase in revenue for AMD. Over 100 is the real play here, so over the high, get in. Once that 100 breaks, 105, 110. Next, Microsoft. Microsoft, we're going to have to go, it rejected here at 230. That's the entry before the all-time high. If we go to the 180-day 4 hour here, you guys will see 232.86 is the all-time high. 234 is the all-time high after hours. Next, NEO. Great retest of the previous all-time high and a hold, so we love to see that. I'm really going to be watching over 64, target 65. Over 65, we have that wick fill to the upside, so I'm really liking that. And NEO could potentially move off Tesla earnings. They're in the same sector, so make sure we keep that on watch. Let's take a look here on Neo's IV, 82%. So, I mean, it's not bad. It will pay still every dollar move. Just be careful. Next, Facebook. Facebook here, the one play that I really do like, even pre-earnings, is over 280, target 290. All-time high at 307 here, and earnings, I believe, are Wednesday. They're with Apple, Tesla, and all that. So keep that in mind. Facebook, we can take a look here as well. Facebook IV is 67%. That's not bad. So we might be able to get Thursday action, some easy 100% gainers. So that would be lit. Next, absolute beauty here on JMIA. Caught this on Friday. As you guys know, you guys watching my videos, that this thing was long overdue for a breakout on the 3-year weekly. And we broke out with insane volume, so that's great. We even made new all-time high after hours over 60, so I just fibbed it from swing low to swing high on Friday, and that's giving us fib targets of 64 and 70. So over the all-time high of 60, 17, I will be taking a position there. Next, Tesla. Tesla's forming this consolidation range. I got caught in this chop this week, and it ended up taking me out about 3K. Just stupid mistakes, but it's all good. So Tesla earnings, I would imagine the IV is high on Tesla here. Let's take a quick look for you guys. 84%. So again, not that bad, but Tesla premiums are going to be expensive. 3,400 a contract. So yeah, do your own bankroll management. The play for me is going to be over 880. Then the next fib level is 905, I believe, and then 1,000. Twillo, another beautiful setup here. As you guys see here, multi-day consolidation just underneath the highs. 398 is the high, so what we need to look out for is this 400 level. Over 400, I'm holding like legit until 415, and then 442. Twillo tends to move very aggressive in the morning and then cools down later in the day, so keep that in mind. Starbucks doesn't really move crazy. That's why the premiums don't move as well. Just over the all-time high of 107.75. So 107.75 earnings this week as well. So keep that in mind. Next, PayPal. PayPal paid really well. We're going to go to the 20-day 1 hour here. PayPal paid really well at it, and as you guys see, it hit the 23.6 fib on the dot. The next fib that we have here is the 26.3 or 263.5. I'm sorry. And yeah, so I'll break above 255. I'm in it for 263. Next, let's bring up PLTR on a bigger time frame here. So this is scans. I've been messing around trying to figure out what the deal is here. So let's go to a larger time frame here on the hourly. And you guys are going to see why it looks so good. This actually does have very high IV. They have an event Tuesday. I'm not sure over what time yet. I'll let you guys know in the Discord. But yeah, the IV is very high. We're going to look into that in just 1 second here. The all-time high rejected 33, so 33.50-ish, I believe, is or 33.32 is the all-time high. Let's take a quick look right here. 33.5 is the all-time high. So over that, if you guys look here on the fib extensions, I have my first, 23.6, and the 61.8 is right at that 40 level. So really, I'm looking to go long on PLTR very soon. I should have already have done it. Either going to wait for a pull to the 50 or take it over the all-time high break. Now, let's take a quick look at the IV for PLTR. It might be the highest of the week, to be honest. And there we go. It is. So PLTR's IV is 128%. Expect after the meeting for it to take a big hit. Because that's the catalyst that everyone's looking for. Now, we look at the options. The 35 strike has 30,000. The 40 strike has 32,000 volume. Some people are expecting a squeeze here. And PLTR is at 8 to 9% short float. So keep that in mind, guys, that this can still pay even with the high IV. If you catch, let's see, 32. If you catch a $5 move, you're going to be making 100%, and I think it's very doable. Just need some volume to kick in. Besides that, that's all I'm really liking for the week. Yeah, and it's just earnings season. So we have to keep in mind, like, we are going to get those days where Amazon might run 200 points over the all-time high. And that's when we need to be in the game. So manage our bankroll responsibly, and we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and peace.